Last year we mainly concentrated on how to read the blueprints, how to do our measurements, and how to create something out of just a stock material. This year is more towards getting it on the computer, learning how to code the CNC machines, and creating your piece from the codes. So you're taking all your information that you have and you're putting it on a drive, and then you're inserting the drive into the CNC machine, and the CNC machine reads your codes and does exactly what you've entered it in to do. In this program, it's more individual work than working with your classmates. I mean, we all brainstorm in the classroom together, but it's an individual's job. He's the kind of teacher that wants you to figure things out on your own. He's there to help you if you need the help, but he really wants you to learn it yourself. He gives advice, but he doesn't give the answer. So he will kind of route me to where I need to be, like in my workbook, and then I need to read or I need to do my homework to figure out the answer. It's hands-on, and I like that because I'm a hands-on learner. I have to physically do it in order to comprehend it.